Nigeria President Tinubu give money for basketball players.
Na lie, no be the information that. We first information na Tanzania. Second information na Tinubu, Nigerian president. Third information na Marc Brys. Okay. Number 4 information na Samuel Eto'o and number 5 na Kocee. How you go start now with the Nigeria president?
Okay, Sénateur. On commence avec le président.
Talk about Pidgin, Tanzania president. C'est commencer avec. Now what you talk commence. Now that very two way Kocee talk now so. Now the worry play for here. Say commence avec. Talk small Pidgin. He go begin make a the thing. He go begin make a say. He want go make some kind of way for go make so. The woman when a Tanzania president they call say Samia. Suhulu. He don't talk say no foreigner no go open small business for Tanzania now. Say that business now for people where they dey for Tanzania. He don't open. Say the people where they open saloon, where they open place for transfer money, where they open small company them for say me they be clean place, white place, all that kind of thing. Them it be Tanzania now. You know they possible. The only two way they possible for Tanzania now for do different business. You don't call the measure say business licensing. Now it make of the prohibit. It's a prohibition of business activities for non-citizens. So that order now is saying now for protect entrepreneurship for Tanzania. Foreigners they contest them, but Tanzania people they glad for the measures. We hope say it will help say me give work for Tanzania people there. As he don't talk, any man he vote his own law for a country. Any man, you know, the way he neck the carry his head with him. So if he don't decide so, no be we go watch him. What you go do? We go watch the president and then we continue for this. Okay, mama, continue for do so. If you know say that the way that we want to protect Tanzania people.
We give money for basketball players.
I like that one. Repeat them. Start them again. Now, correct. You know grammar. You know grammar. Talk that place. Talk so much.
And now we talk about Nigeria.
Yes. Yes.
Après c'est quoi? Nigeria President Tinubu give money for basketball players.
Voila! And now we talk about Nigeria. Nigerian President Tinubu give money for basketball players. No, you don't talk correct.
Okay.
Why you feel like say you don't talk correct? Why you feel like say you should not say asking the shake say they say not talk correct? You dey that picking way you do something they say say no do I'm fine. And the two they don't talk say say the way they talk say no you do I'm fine. Now the Nigeria President Tinubu last week we talk about football players and women football player the way they win African Nations Cup for Morocco. They win African Nations Cup for Morocco. They come, he receive them, he promise them money. Now the girl they now for basketball, they don't win and two, he don't come, he don't promise them money. But for the girl for basketball, he go give them 56 million for each of them, and then the matter, the day for the matter, and I say they go give them plot 2. So the girl then go, they will win big time. You know, again that 56 million, they will get them plot, so they will go home richer. So congratulations for that girl then when they win Afro Basket for Cote d'Ivoire. Now the 5th consecutive time this way they win the Afro Basket for Cote d'Ivoire. That's why I hear the thing. So Nigeria them now then they control Africa. What we talk about female basket ball. So with the weight sometimes on occasion they will Tinubu go organize and which they get them. Make the team go ahead because Tinubu na mawe he like occasion.
Yesterday.
Yes, Marc Brys he go fake food yesterday. He go meet up Secretary General for Fake Food. Marc Brys too. He meet up with the Madame Celine Mendomo Eto'o, first Vice President for Federation for Cameroon Football Federation. Marc Brys go Fake Food for go get list for player. Then way they go play match against Cap Verde and then they go play match against Eto'o for September. That's the next one. Now qualifier for World Cup 2026 next year for Canada, for Mexico and for America. So Marc Brys don't give the list. Secretary General don't talk with you. We go with the assistant Mununga. He go with Christophe Manouvre. That white man win préparateur physique for Indomitable Lion. He said the two vex me and say the manager work out with the short knicker. Go inside BB office with short knicker. Next time I hope say they go drive him, he go dress correctly before they enter that kind of office. Because if you do that kind of thing for that side he come out. He can't do it for Cameroon. They just permit him maybe he continue to do that nonsense. So you get for respect office. The way you want to enter any my office is for respect them. It be very, very important. So Mr. Man, next time you get for respect people them. Respect the way they pass. No begin do that kind of thing they do and so. I don't see and you know what me so never I talk say this. So if I not talk the one, you go just make a say I never see him. Never I don't see him. So I talk my own. Mr. Man, be very careful. No begin make a like say you get for respect Fika food, respect secretary for Fika food, respect the office. Now so it happen. You see how we Marc Brys he wear close, wear trouser. You see how we Mununga wear close, wear trouser. He can give way own. That kind of way you begin make a say one begin disrespect. The team invest me plenty. And then Eto'o too. He advised Marc Brys. He gives small advice for Marc Brys. Hopefully say Marc Brys he don't hear that advice for Eto'o and then he don't understand that say that manangulungwete that wulu if you want to give me calm may forget him because if he continue man no. Okay, Samuel Eto'o go.
And Samuel Eto'o scored the first goal for Burkina Faso.
Hey, transition. And Samuel Eto'o scored the first goal for Burkina Faso. Yes. Now for Burkina Faso, the team pass. Eto'o bidede, Somba na bidede, Rigobert Song, Alexander Song bidede, Mokanjo bidede, Stéphane Bia bidede, Seydou Keita bidede, Okocha bidede, Adebayo bidede, plenty players bidede. Eto'o bidede, so Eto'o be na the spokesperson for all that player them. They go meet up with president for Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traoré. They go best song Guy Mayo. They go best song too. Be then a coach for their team. He try for tink. Samuel Eto'o small. They play the ball. After they receive, where president receive, then they go play ball against Army for Burkina Faso. Bam! First goal. Samuel Eto'o not enter for history like first player for score first goal for the 4th August stadium for Burkina Faso. This stadium, they name them for the Burkinabe Revolution with Thomas Sankara, it be launch them. So the 4th August stadium, President Bidede, the team play well. ILS Juve, Nagira Paso, Eto'o score them, Adebayo them, they play and the team go fine. So President for Federation for Cameroon Football, they are head. He only score, he only shine the goal. And then for fee, now so Burkina Faso people then they shout the name Eto'o. That means say happiness for people that will see Eto'o for that Burkina Faso we pass said Maramangulungwete. So congratulations for you and then congratulations too for the pro and then congratulations too for Burkina Bay, their president and their government for that stadium where they don't renovate them. They don't be get stadium where be homologated by CAF. Now all their matches they go to play now for Burkina Faso because they don't fix and fine, they don't put the toilet, they don't put AC them, they don't fix and so the stadium don't be now for way a correct now for receive international matches them for that side for Burkina Faso.
Kocee say Paul Biya must go.
Yes, Kocee don't talk say Paul Biya don't overstay for power. It's an Anglophone crisis only go before for Sikadi Palava power torso. Say it don't reach that time where Paul Biya again for come for power. Now Kocee he talk that talk. Any people they don't make their reaction. Any man they with the reaction, mix reaction. But the truth for the matter. Now say Kocee don't talk in mind. And now plenty people they think. Plenty people in the country they think the thing where Kocee don't think am. When I get person we want be candidate for constitutional council, you know go. It is send letter but talk say he be very occupied. For announce I'm saying I be candidate, you know if he announce and not you know the way he shows say I talk say one be candidate. Now the only minister, the other one they active themselves, they remain and then they want protect and then they want enter for day. So Cameroon don't just turn as some country way the way we look and all the thing you do for the way the thing they but one day suffer will finish.